In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Track123 for order tracking upsell in your Shopify store. This step-by-step guide is tailored to help you smoothly integrate this application and enhance the tracking features of your Shopify store, ultimately improving your customers' experience. So let's dive right in and make the most out of Track123. First, let's start from your Shopify homepage. You will want to navigate to the Apps section, which is conveniently located on the sidebar. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in Track123 to begin your search for this incredibly useful application. Shopify's App Store offers a wide range of tools, and Track123 is specifically designed to help you with order tracking, a vital part of building trust with your customers. Once you find Track123 in the search results, the next step is to install it. Click on the Install button. It's pretty straightforward, but do keep an eye out because sometimes it may ask for a second confirmation to ensure you're ready to proceed with the installation. Confirm your choice, and shortly after, Track123 will be part of your Shopify app list. Installation steps like these are designed to ensure you're completely certain about the apps you're integrating into your store, which helps in maintaining store security and functionality. With Track123 installed, you now have the opportunity to explore its features. I recommend taking some time here to familiarize yourself with what this app can do. You'll find tools for order tracking that can be seamlessly integrated into your store. Understanding these features will not only enhance your skill set as a store owner, but also provide excellent value to your customers through better service. By offering reliable order tracking, you not only keep customers informed, but also reduce anxiety about deliveries, which, in turn, leads to increased trust and potential upsell opportunities. After you've explored the features, it's time to start tracking. Dive into implementation by activating the tracking feature. This step is crucial as it activates the functionality that will keep your customers informed about their shipments. Make sure that all the settings are aligned with the kind of customer updates you wish to provide. This could include sending notifications about shipment status changes or anticipated delivery dates, whichever options best fit your business model and customer expectations. By the end of this process, your Shopify store will be equipped with a comprehensive order tracking system, thanks to Track123. This enhancement not only serves to improve customer satisfaction, but also opens up potential upsell opportunities by enhancing the overall shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to maximizing your Shopify store's potential.